We had called for a CLP meeting, but due to the national leaders participated, we could not be postponed that meeting. So we had to call it today. Chief Minister had decided. So we have implemented the 5 guarantees. We have said that all of them should see that the guarantees will be implemented, see that it reaches every household, and there should be a celebration of the program which has been reached to them. And we have communicated to them that we are calling a meeting of all the district level MLAs and the leaders separately. Myself and Chief Minister, we both will sit, we will discuss about their problems. We have said them, this year you may find difficult for the new grants, which is already, budget has been already been closed. Now we have implemented the guarantee. They have agreed to it, and we should see that you should all the programs should reach the people of Karnataka. Whatever 5 guarantees are there, 4 guarantees we are going to implement within this next month, August. So you should get ready. And on 5th we are doing this Gro Jyoti Karikrama function. On 17th or 18th we are doing this Gro Lakshmi Karikrama in Belgaum. But at the same time, the same program should be replicated in every taluk and the panchayat level. That is what we have given a direction to them. All are very happy.